Chilo ke no. Kobora gini gare mwami otichilo numimilo mbeda. Numimilo murai. Otichilo nzi chana kobora at my personal level. He is a policy developer. He is not a good manager, but he is a good policy developer and implementer. Sindio? No mane hizi county ziti zindizi yana an administrator, zina policy makers dawe, ama scientists dawe, you know. But Tichilo we have a leader ambaye have an vast experience yokuromba policy framework yendai. Lakini hizi sasa in implementation hizi policies zira onora bandu technocrats bebe bamfaila. But I want to applaud igasi the kandi, igasi mbedawe, igasi ndai chigira mugoro wa madiko gabiti ganega tano ndazi ndakori kuzi surveillance ya ninzi ya mukasibitari kandi karangwa Bugina Health Center. It was Sariera, and I was very surprised. I was very happy chigira ndazi Bugina ndazi ya ndawula zombere guruma no. And then I said like ambiti handi chigira ni the nearest ninzi kendo chukotanga shayane kora burai ne OTP izo mbambola bekikedeta nembika OTP ira na burai messages burai. Then within 15 minutes, within 20 minutes I was served nendura honembe bakandize nazo that was a piece of injida. So ndala that procession that efficient na that kunendi hiccups dawe. So for him naweza kumwambia mlichagura liye yukuchagura umwimili we department ya health yakora burai sana. Na nakobona chigira isabatia sub county wanga lead yera no. Hanyuma waru narakuzia onorekari daktari kile kuduka. Lakini after kubika waziri kitunguru mu office na aleta some shuffling na bika kandi maspai gego kuma information bandu babuka mzindoro. Chigira banora laxity yare sabatia ni health ni sub county hospital laxity yare at high level. Lakini baada ya that reshuffling and rearrangement health sector hivi higa itanji korani kuhinuka kuburai in terms of service delivery. Aya juzi tuliona endewe uri nyibagirangane ni murere no dispensary murere ndaruri bamurete bidari birai mishima wese liko bikiritu sana burai. Sindio? Aya wene kanda koraburai wete ndi wesabati wa inzindora za correct maziga World Bank. Lakini unfortunately MCA wana warana gege na MCA report gabe mudawe. So ndayanzo tichilo chigira network ya gitumikira burai kokoreta kumazi. So him kandi akuri gas lele 10 years koka dia nembedawe. Is only that umae mboero gendo rumgamba utanga karona rutanga gendo gene kumane obenindi before byose mkebeti. So rote chilo yatanga rugendo rwa 2020 rugawa na kwa ile awamu yake ya kwanza maybe shortcomings yari the technocrats sindio bandu ba mkoli gasi numae wakabitendewe geneka wale cronies bobo ubira nyiro mukono. So maybe ila nyiro mukono gere kumukono gura ile nyibura hidawe. Lakini alikuja karekebisha na nafikiri vitu ziko sawa. Ziko sawa angeongezwa miaka ingine kidogo kulingana yani katiba ingemruhusu tena isunde kuhambiri mwalimu reku burabu wamedeka kidogo but akori gasenda.